my name is Fabiola, and today I'm going to show you what I got for Christmas. I know I'm a little late, but I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted this video, and all of you guys said yes. Only one person said no, and she wrote me by DM, oh my god, I'm so sorry, I hit it by accident. So in reality, it's 100% that said yes, so here's the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get a notification when I do a new video. Give a huge thumbs up and comment down below. Follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat. Now let's start! The first thing that I'm going to show you is this super beautiful NYX palette. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love it. And the second thing that I'm going to show you is this. Look how beautiful. This is also an eyeshadow palette. Oh. I'm going to put a picture here of how this looks on the inside when you buy it, because I added so many glitters that it doesn't look like this. Santa knows me so well that he also brought me chocolate. He also bought me this piggy bank that it's amazing. Look how adorable this is. Oh my god, I love it. He also got me this beautiful blouse from Urban Outfitters. He got me some earrings. Since you guys cannot see it, I'm going to put the picture here. He also got me this super cute keychain. More chocolate. Look at this. It's a unicorn! He also got me soap. He also got me a Sephora gift card. And look how beautiful it's on the inside. Oh my god, I love it. Guys, look at this purse. It's so beautiful. It has glitter on its sunglasses. It has pearls on the zipper. This is literally the zipper. It has beautiful gold leather, and this side is reversible. I say it's reversible because this side is also so pretty that I want to use both sides. And it's handmade from a local designer in New York, and I love it. And the strap is pink. Oh, and it has like a keychain, and it's beautiful. He also got me this. So beautiful. It's very light, but with clips I can hang my Polaroids. He also got me 3 films because you're gonna see the next gift. He gave me the Polaroid One Step Plus. It's so beautiful. I am in love. Look at it. It's beautiful. I left the best gift for last because, can you guys hear it? He gave me a car. Like, what? I was in shock when I received it. I was like, what? And guess what? My boyfriend and I have matching cars. Like, what are the odds? Like, we have the same car in the same color. So it's super cool. I have matching cars with my boyfriend. I'm speechless. Well, that is about it for this video. I know in these videos usually people give disclaimers, and I did not give it because I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see it, and 100% of you guys said yes. And I also make these videos because I love watching them, so I know that you guys also love watching it, and even more when 100% told me yes, that you guys wanted me to make this video. You guys know I love you a lot. So I wanted to wish you guys a merry belated Christmas or merry belated holiday, and that I love you lots. And don't forget to subscribe because that helps a lot. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get a notification when I do a new video. Give a huge thumbs up and comment down below. Follow my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat. See you later. So goodbye. Love you guys. Bye.
My life, fabs.creations. She a DIY sensation. All across the nation.